there, my name is Jose Uribe, General Manager for Benz of Marin. Just wanted to share with you guys that we had a need to hire some sales consultants. So we partnered up with AutoStaff, and they did a very great job for us. Just in a short period of time, they got us over 60 candidates. And during the 60 candidates, they actually did all the legwork. After all said and done, we have at least 7 to 8 strong applicants that we are going to be pushing through, and definitely is going to help with the business here at Benz of Marin to try to get us to the next level. I would definitely encourage for those dealerships that need immediate staffing to please contact AutoStaff right away. Thank you very much.